So this is an issue in respect of two prime accused, Mujahid Alam Khan and Mehboob Alam Khan, against whom my father has been fighting cases. They are Waqf grabbers and Waqf encroachers. Anwarul Ulum Waqf, Mumtaz Yarudullah Waqf of Malakpet, Anwarul Ulum Waqf at Mallepalli, and Aiza, Madrasa Aiza, which college he constructed on the name of his grandfather, Nawab Shah Alam Khan Engineering College. These three are Waqf institutions. He grabbed all these three, Mujahid Alam Khan. So my father was fighting against that privatization. It is public property, should be used for public benefit, for minority benefit or whatever downtrodden. They formed private trust, their family members are managing it, and they grabbed that work property by managing work board, by removing the records from there. So my father was fighting against them. This is the sixth attack on him, and unfortunately which proved to be fatal. Earlier also 5 different times attack happened. He was attacked at his office in Gun Foundry, at his in early morning once. 3 years back also similar attack happened outside masjid at early hours of Fajr prayer, morning prayers, and then subsequently also threat calls were given to him and others also. And he had been given, he had been relaying messages through mediator saying that हट जाओ बाकी प्रॉपर्टीज हट जाओ, 2 करोड़ देते, 10 करोड़ देते, दुबई चले जाओ, बाहर चले जाओ, हैदराबाद छोड़ के चले जाओ, नहीं तो we will see what we can do, you can see बोल के threats. Mujahid Alam Khan personally also came and met me 6 months back at my office. He came and met me. He threatened me. He personally came at my office at Himayat Nagar. He met me and threatened me, saying that मैं last warning दे रहा हूँ, आगे कुछ भी हो रहा तो मेरे को नहीं मालूम, मेरे को नहीं बोलना. He personally came at my Himayat Nagar office and he met me and he told that समझाओ, बाबा को समझाओ, father को समझाओ. So Mujahid Alam Khan, like Anwarul Ulum Waqf, which is there, they have converted to society. Mehboob Alam Khan also. They are Waqf grabbers, Waqf encroachers. They have taken the Waqf property of Muslims and they privatized it. So my father was fighting against it. So that is how it has happened. And I have faith in the police and also the judiciary. So many senior counsels and members of the bar have come out in support of my father and in my support also. Absolutely, as they have said, there is a threat to me and my family also. Now that they have killed my father, they murdered and martyred my father while he was protecting the property. So I absolutely apprehend that there is threat. If in case anything happens to me or to my mother or my sister or my brother-in-law, I am saying across media that prime accused and responsible will be Mujahid Alam Khan and his father Mehboob Alam Khan. Father and son will be responsible if anything happens to me. I have relayed Minister KTR also, KT Ramarao Garu also, saying that advocates need to be protected. This cannot happen. This is a rule of law. If advocates itself, they themselves are not being protected. So it is a very grave, unfortunate moment for me.
आज नामपल्ली पीएस लिमिट्स में मासब टैंक एरिया में एक दुर्घटना हुई सुबह में. एक पहले हमने एक अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर केस रजिस्टर किया. एक एडवोकेट मोहम्मद काजुद्दीन पे अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर केस हुआ जब वो कार के अंदर, उनके कार के अंदर जा रहे थे. देन अचानक एक व्हीकल, अननोन व्हीकल, नंबर प्लेट नहीं था उसके ऊपर, उनको हिट किया. बट वो तुरंत कुछ घंटों के बाद ही वॉज नो मोर. सो वी हैव रजिस्टर्ड अ मर्डर केस. उसके बेटे ने कंप्लेंट दिया है. सो ऑन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. हमें 4-5 टीम्स ऑलरेडी फॉर्म किया है. एन रूट, जो आने का रूट और बाहर जाने का रूट में जो CCTVs है वो चेक करेंगे. एंड जो भी सस्पिशियस है फैमिली किसी और के ऊपर, वो भी वेरीफाई करेंगे. एक्सप्लेन दिया है, जो नेम्स दिया है वो सस्पिशियस रूप में है. हम जब वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं वो पूरा जब पता चलेगा, देन ओनली आई विल बी एबल टू टेल. रिगार्डिंग ये जो प्रॉपर्टीज के डिस्प्यूट है, ये वक्फ बोर्ड प्रॉपर्टी को एडवोकेट रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो थोड़ा बहुत लैंड इश्यूज में है, वो सिविल डिस्प्यूट्स चल रहा है, तो वी हैव टू वेरीफाई ऑल दैट. बट अभी इट्स वेरी प्रिलिमिनरी फॉर अस टू कम टू अ कंक्लूजन दैट ये लोग ही इन्वॉल्व है. वो वेरिफिकेशन के बाद, पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के बाद हम क्लियरली बता सकते हैं. थैंक यू.